How to stay safe on public Wi-Fi at school or cafe. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever connected to free Wi-Fi at school, a library, or your favorite cafe? It's super convenient, right? But here's the thing. Public Wi-Fi can be a real danger zone for your personal information. If you're not careful, hackers could be watching everything you do online. In this video, we'll go over how to stay safe when using public Wi-Fi, so you can browse, study, and scroll without putting your data at risk. Host talking directly to camera or animated avatar. So, why is public Wi-Fi such a big deal? When you connect to a public network, like the one at school or a cafe, you're basically sharing the internet with everyone else there. And unfortunately, that includes potential hackers. They can easily steal your passwords, emails, or even your credit card info if you're not protected. That's why knowing how to secure your connection is so important. Use a VPN. Tip number 1. Always use a VPN, a virtual private network. A VPN hides your online activity by encrypting your connection. It's like putting on an invisibility cloak for your internet use. Whether you're logging into your school portal or checking your email, a VPN keeps your information safe from prying eyes. There are even VPNs with student discounts or free versions. Check out Proton VPN or NordVPN to get started. Look for HTTPS. Tip number 2. Always look for HTTPS in the website address. That little S at the end of HTTP stands for secure. If a website doesn't have HTTPS, it means the connection isn't encrypted, and that's bad news if you're entering passwords or other sensitive information. A quick glance at the address bar for the padlock icon can help you stay safe with just a second of effort. Turn off sharing. Tip number 3. Turn off sharing and auto-connect features on your device. Things like file sharing, AirDrop, and Bluetooth can make your device visible to everyone else on the same network. That's a huge risk. Go into your settings and disable file sharing. And if you're not using Bluetooth or AirDrop, switch those off too. You're not being rude. You're being smart. Avoid sensitive transactions. Tip number 4. Avoid sensitive transactions on public Wi-Fi. That means don't do your online banking, shop with your credit card, or send personal info over these networks. Wait until you're at home or on a private, secure network. Public Wi-Fi is fine for general browsing, but anything private should be saved for a safer connection. Enable 2FA. And finally, tip number 5. Turn on two-factor authentication, also known as 2FA. Even if someone does get your password, they won't be able to log into your accounts without that second code. It's a quick extra step, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your accounts secure. Most apps and websites support it, and it usually takes less than a minute to set up. Calm music resumes. On-screen summary. So let's recap. To stay safe on public Wi-Fi, use a VPN, check for HTTPS, turn off sharing features, avoid sensitive activities, and enable two-factor authentication. It's all about taking a few small steps that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart tech tips. And don't forget to check out our video on why reusing the same password everywhere is a bad idea. You won't want to miss it. Stay smart, stay secure, and I'll see you in the next one.